According to the internet, I'm supposed to rotate my crops every season. Doesn't make sense, but I'll do it again. What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. It's Saturday, March 13, 2021. It's planting time, y'all. Here I am, Zone 9A, South Louisiana. Let me show you what I got going on here as far as the starter plants and whatnot. As usual, right there, Creole tomatoes. Creole tomatoes right there. And I came across these here, San Marzano tomatoes. Trying that out. That's a good meaty tomato. This bed here, which is a 5x10 bed, this is going to be my squash bed. Right here I've got, what is it? Some sort of white scalloped squash. This is a pepper bed and eggplant bed. Let me show you right here the eggplants. I have, again, ikebans. Those grew pretty well last year. I've got some rositas. Those are like a pink, purple colored striped eggplant. California Wonder eggplants there. This, I'm not sure what type of pepper this is. This pepper I actually grew from seed last year. It is a hot pepper. And next to this hot pepper, because I want to encourage extra heat, I'm trying it out by request. This is a Scorpion's Red Venom hot pepper. I will be using gloves to put this in the ground. I'm not touching this with my bare hands. Nope. No way, no how. I've got two poblanos right there. And you know, there's a question about, do you lop the tops off or not? Do you just plant them as is? Or if you lop the top off, does it make the plants grow any stronger? What am I going to do? Yep. This one here, I'm going to lop the top off. That one there, I'm going to let be as is, just as a side-by-side comparison, even though it's not exact, like the plants aren't perhaps the exact same size, but close enough for a test. In this side bed right here, I still have the garlic. I took out the Brussels sprouts because they neither Brussels nor sprouted, so that's like 5 years in a row of failing with Brussels sprouts. Have the garlic there. The plan is to just let that stay as is and eventually put down here cantaloupes. I did put seeds. Hopefully they come up. If not, I'll have to see about starter plants. I've got nothing set for this little spot here. I was going to put a pepper plant, but I just stuck it with all the others. This is a Cuban pepper. I've been having this since last year as well, and decided to just plant it into the ground. I've got shallots right here, actual shallots. Some sort of yellow moon or something or other shallots. And this from the wintertime, this is one of the graffiti cauliflower. I'll see if that can stay, otherwise I'll harvest it, but it better get a move on because it's getting quite warm. This right here, I believe that's a, it escapes my mind. Anyway, that's growing there as well. That was from seed. Planted this actually. This is a kale plant. I think I'm going to leave that there. But I do have some cucumber starter plants because I fail with cucumbers so hardcore. I'm trying it again, this time in a different spot and with starter plants. Everything is planted. Here we go, the peppers, they're in the ground. The squash, they're in the ground. Tomatoes, all in the ground. I forgot to tell y'all two things. One, I've got to put down these potatoes. This is by request. These are purple potatoes and some other white potatoes that someone gave me, asking me to plant that. And I forgot to tell y'all that as I do with my fall garden, everything is prepped in advance. The last 2 months or so, I've been directly burying the compost in the beds. My compost bin I emptied out, put that in the beds, fertilizer so it can start breaking down. Spring 2021, it's here. I thank y'all very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something Mister. And remember, I don't have an next line yet, so see you later, everybody.